Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. The 22nd November. This is our weekly recap. Hope you guys all had a fabulous week. Link in the description below if you want to join me, smartoptiontrading.com. We'd love to have you join our live trading room where we had a fabulous week. Now, I'm going to tell you, this was not the easiest action this week to trade and required a lot of patience and trying to find momentum. And that's something we were able to do here every day was go in and find momentum. Overall, the market broke out of this rut 4 days sideways, and then yesterday we had that move up, and here we are today extending it a little bit more, looking like we're really going to go up and test the all-time highs. Right now, you can see this island top has been negated, right? We gapped up, we gapped down, that's gone. This could have been an island bottom, but they came and they filled it. So the 21-day area support and also this gap at 583.89, this continues to be support. Your 50-day starting to push up to there. Your all-time high of $600.17 seems like it's coming into focus. As we go into next week, we have a very busy economic day on Wednesday. We have GDP, we have PCE, and we have might be retail sales and something else. On top of that, we have a bunch of earnings this week. We have retail in the morning, but really at night we get names like Crowd and Dell are in there, and ADSK and a bunch of software and cloud names come into play. So there will be some big names coming in, especially on Monday and Tuesday night. But overall, the market's feeling pretty good. Volume here fairly low today. It's been a very quiet day. Remember, we're going into a short week next week. And what I mean by that is next week is the Thanksgiving holiday here in the US and the real start of the holiday season. It's typically a slow motion melt up week. Volume's lower, especially as we get into Wednesday. The market is a full day on Wednesday. It is closed on Thursday, and it is a half day session on Friday. I am typically not around on that Friday. What else is going on? The Dow has pushed up nicely, coming up to that 445 area, almost back to the all-time highs. The Qs are kind of weaker, just kind of holding in. And the IWM has had a nice 3 day move here and getting back to the multi-year high of 242.39. The last 2 days have been led by energy, which has been stronger, and the financials specifically. Look at this move. That's an all-time high for the XLF. JP Morgan joined the all-time high club today. Morgan Stanley did it as well. Goldman just missing. Bank of America had a nice little breakout to a multi-many year high there. Same thing with Wells Fargo. So the banks have been very strong and have been leading this process. What else has been going on? This week was about names, guys, and finding momentum. And between news and option flow, which has been instrumental this week, we've been finding what to trade. Tesla provided trades all week. Traded Tesla on Monday, traded it on Tuesday, and traded it one, two, three, four times today. Took a loss right out of the gate on it, but then came back, got it the other three times for nice money. Tesla, this is not real. It did not hit this high here. I know it looks like it did, but actually it didn't. This is a fake candle. It never got here. So the high on this is actually, we'll see if they correct it, 356.64. But bottom line is Tesla is right up on the verge of breaking out to a multi-year high and a nice breakout there today and an overall strong stock and it's trying to get going. This was also a week about trading crypto. Bitcoin put in a new all-time high. We traded the micro Bitcoin futures on that, and we've been trading the hell out of Monster, MSTR, and MSTU, providing some very nice trades until we finally came in yesterday. UPST provided a nice trade there on the way back up as we had a nice little upgrade there. Walmart had a great report, provided a nice trade there as well. Look, this had a new all-time high. Google, tough name, took me for a ride this week. This down candle here, Department of Justice really intent on breaking them up and removing Chrome from them. So we have some issues going on there. What else did we trade? Snow provided a great day trade. I've been in this since yesterday, sold it on almost into the highs today on the last of my options, and just a nice move on that one on a great report. Nvidia hit a new all-time high yesterday, but back down here. There was nothing wrong with that report. They only guided up $2.5 billion above what they'd reported this quarter. People are absolutely getting spoiled. SMCI gave a nice trade today. That was a nice trap bounce there. We have Dell reporting next week. That should be interesting. Apple driving us all nuts. It's trying to break this 230 level. One, two, three, four. Today's 5 days in a row. It's come up and tagged it and pulled back off of it. I'm long some December 235 calls. We'll see what that does. Amazon's been weak all week. It's under 200, so I'm waiting to my ad until it either takes it back or gives me a reversal candle. What am I forgetting, guys? Netflix, new all-time highs. That thing's been a monster move. Coin also big, nice move this week as well. Bottom line is this market's giving lots of trades, and the real thing helping us here is find these things are this flow, these alerts. They come in and we go to see where they are. So anyway, next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, full days, Thursday close, Friday, a half day session in the markets, big data on Wednesday, big earnings on Tuesday night. I don't know if I'll get to charts this weekend, but if I don't, I will post my week ahead video out there for free for all you guys. I got a lot going on this weekend as we head into the holidays and getting ready for Thanksgiving to host. Wishing you guys a wonderful weekend, and I'll catch you guys live in the room on Monday morning.